So station 3 is all about using your calculator, folks. So station 3, you're gonna first thing you want to do is press pause and type all this data in. Definitely got to have that data in your calculator. I've already done that, so get that data in your calculator. Here's mine, and I'm gonna jump right in. First thing we're gonna do is plug our data in. Now we need to find that line of best fit. So to do that, I press Stat. I go over to Calc, and I go down to LinReg right there. So now I go ahead down and click calculate, and it's going to go ahead and give me all the information I need. My M, aka the A, is in this case negative 40. I'll pull up the big screen. Negative 40.44 there. So you can see your M and your A are really the same thing. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and type that in or write that out. Negative 40.44. So negative 40.44 is my M value, negative 40.44. And my B value is 470.3. Okay, 32 or 33 in this case if we round. So 470.33 if we round. So this is all about the hours of sunshine and the number of visitors that are coming to a park of some sort, it looks like. Okay, a museum, excuse me, a museum. So now if we bring that together, our equation is y equals negative 40.44x. Always got to have your x there, plus the b value, so plus 470.33. Our correlation coefficient is right here, the r value, there it is. So negative 0.93 is our correlation coefficient. Negative 0.93, so it's negative 0.93. What that means, if we think about what that means, because obviously since it's negative, that should be really easy. Since our correlation coefficient is actually negative, right? Then it's obviously a negative correlation. Now, negative 0.93 is very close to negative 1, which makes it a very strong correlation as well. So now, last but not least, is where we're going to make a prediction. This is all about predicting. So what we have to do is we have to type this equation into our calculator, and we do so right here. So let me go back to the main screen so you can see what I'm talking about. I need to click the y equals button. So that's right here, top left-hand corner of your calculator. Can't get any higher. So now I'm going to type in my y equals equation. So there it is, negative 40. So let's get this out of the way. Negative 40.44x plus 470, can't quite see it, 0.33. 0.33. There you go. There's your equation. Now to predict, we're going to go ahead and press second and table. Except we're all the way down at 100. So I'm going to reset my table here real quick. There's honestly a quicker way to do this, family. So I'm going to show you how to do it. But I'm going to reset my table to 0. And this is how you could do it if you want to use your calculator. So now that I'm asking for 15 hours, I can scroll down here and see that if there were 15 hours of sunshine, I think something is wrong in this equation. I may have, let's check my data real quick, see if this matches what we're looking at. Scroll back up here, make sure this is good to go. So we've plugged in, those are hours of sunshine. The more hours of sunshine, the better. So hopefully I've typed everything in correctly. Get this out of the way. So if we look at our hours of sunshine, in this case, y equals negative 4. You know what? Look at that. Forgot my plus sign, family. Forgot my plus sign. Knew something was off. Okay, there we go. 470. Second and graph. Here we go. So if there were 15 hours of sunshine, this actually doesn't make any sense. I'm going to explain to you why it doesn't. So technically, if there were 15 hours of sunshine, we would have negative visitors. Doesn't make any sense. So you can pretty much just neglect that one. I'm just going to rework the question for you. let's say instead of 15 hours of sunshine, because that's not going to make any sense, let's get rid of 15 hours of sunshine. Let's just say 4 hours. Okay. So in that case, you're going to look at your table and go here to the 4th hour, and your X column, go back up here to 4. And you're going to see that there would be around 308 visitors. Okay. So I promised an easy way to do that. The easy way to do that is just simply plug the number 4 into this equation right here. So you could simply just plug that in your calculator. Negative 40.44 times that number plus the 470.33. So all you have to do really is plug in the number 4, and that's going to kick out 308 point something. But you can't have a point something of a visitor. All right, so there you go. That is station 3. Keep working hard.